Hi, I'm Iana Forbes,
I'm Luis Anthony Duran.
and we are the creative directors of Wakas at Simula. Okay. Siguro, to start, Wakas at Simula wrote itself. Kumbaga, hindi siya originally planned as Wakas at Simula kasi simula at wakas talaga siya. But then, the story is so rich that it has written itself. Kumbaga, nagbigay siya ng sarili niyang ending.
Tsaka siguro, to add, we were very blessed to be working around the team na as in lahat ng kasama namin sa Wakas at Simula are really storytellers. Kaya kapag nag-pitch in ng idea yung mga tao, as in, ang bilis mag-build. And I guess, malaking factor din na yung sinasabi nga ni IC na it wrote itself kasi after Simula at Wakas, parang ang daming hiningi pa nag-evolve pa yung story on its own. And kumbaga nagkaroon siya ng platform after it has evolved.
Yeah. Siguro nung discovery session namin, the boys really wanted to feel the ending. Kumbaga, ano bang nararamdaman mo pag may tinatapos ka na sobrang minahal mo? So, that's melancholy, uncertainty, but somehow, excitement din to start something new. Kumbaga, ano yung gusto iparating ng buong team sa fans sa 18, yun din yung nararamdaman namin na parang sobrang lungkot din na matatapos na yung trilogy, but somehow, we're so excited of what's next.
Kaya then when we were designing it, when I was actually planning for the album artwork or the visual language of Wakas at Simula, I originally first thought ko talaga is the twin black holes. Kasi kumbaga, nobody knows kumbaga what happens to you inside when you get eaten by a black hole. Pero yun kasi yung hiningi din ng boys, yung pinaka-word nila that they want is a rebirth. Kumbaga, it's not just an ending. Kumbaga, it's a chance to be reborn again as something new, as something you don't know yet, basically. But yun yung gusto nila ipakita, yung beauty of rebirth and yung overall concept of that.
Kaya nandun si Phoenix. Kasi di ba parang it's a symbol of rebirth, of sino ka after mong ma-rebirth. Parang ganun. Kumbaga nandun tayo sa era ng ngayon na winawakasan na natin yung trilogy and then sino na ulit sa SB19 after that.